Okay, Jew. Okay, Cody Clark. Okay, Jose Hustle. Y'all done seen Benhead Polo, Benhead Text Message, Benhead Cotton Candy, Benhead Ass White, Benhead Vitamin Water, Benhead Cookies, Benhead Money, Benhead DVDs, Benhead fucking annotations, Benhead doors locking and shit like that. Okay, but you have never, and I don't believe you will never see what y'all about to see now, man. I'm about to bring y'all something in the Benhead family that none of us have never had. You know what I mean? Like, this shit is amazingly, man. It's like damn near scary. Like, it's on the first person to ever bring this to the Benhead, and I don't think nobody gonna have a better Benhead than this Benhead right here, man. Okay, I done told y'all the Benheads you done seen and stuff like that, man. But check this shit out. I've been had shit, man. I've been shitting, man. I just took a good ass shit with a long ass turd in the motherfucking toilet, man. As you can see, the mummy around the toilet, that keep my ass clean, you know what I'm saying? So I won't have to see my ass on this toilet. Right now, I'm naked. I'm in here naked. And I just got through taking the shit, man. I've been had shit, man. Nobody has more shit than me, bro. I shit every time I eat. That's how much shit I got, bro. I'm the shitting champion, man. Shitting is like a hobby, man. I've been had shit, man, and I'm signing out.